Okay mga tao, so we're gonna have our Swedish massage now. So we're getting prepared for our Swedish massage mga tao. Alright, it's time to relax. Forget the world and all the problems, all the stress. This is anti-stress massage. Sobra sakit katawan. Feel the stress going out from your eyes, from your head, together with the massage. The best experience. Yeah, the best feeling. This is Swedish massage, so it's like she's moving on the nerves. You see the nerves, take out all the stress. Because I have flu, mga tao, so that's why I needed a massage. It helps me with my flu. Wow, sarap. Mama is in the other room. There. I can't see her, but I bet she's enjoying as well. I'm so sure. You see, they put us like, you can hear animals in the background, music. It makes you feel that you are in the jungle while they are doing the massage. Wow, oh my god, so relaxing. So we just finished mga tao, our massage. It was so relaxing. Oh my god, 90 minutes. It's time to eat dinner now kasi sobrang gutom. Let's go.